Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve this simultaneous equation by elimination method. Well, I have my first equation here, the blue color one, and I have my equation 2 here, the green color. Now, I'm going to have my equation 1 multiplied by 3. Why does Mr. Tan do that? Okay, because after I multiplied by 3, then I would have this times 3 throughout. I will have 3x plus 3y equals to 9. This is my equation 3. And what do we see? We do see that the 3x now is the same, both positive. So now I need to think at the side. Think. Now that I have 3x from equation 2 and 3x from equation 3, I need to think whether do I plus or do I minus such that this becomes 0. That's how we eliminate x. I can see that you know what we are going to do to the equation, right? We need to minus equation 2 minus equation 3, and that's what we are going to do now. Equation 2 minusing equation 3. And how will it look like? Okay, the 3x has been eliminated, but I will have my equation 2. I have my negative 2y, and I will need to minus away my positive 3y. I have my 39 minusing my 9. Okay, so from here, I can continue to simplify and solve for y. I have successfully eliminated x. Negative 2y and minus 3y. This will give me negative 5y. 39 minus 9 will give me 30. And eventually, I will need to divide by negative 5 on both sides of this equation to give me 1y equals to negative 6. And once I know my y, I can then substitute this value of y into any of the equation. I'm going to substitute into equation 1. So substitute y equals to negative 6 into equation 1, because equation 1 is the simplest. I will have x plus y equals to 3, right? This is my equation 1. But now I know my y is negative 6. Well, this means that I am not going to write as y anymore. I'm going to write as negative 6. And solve for this. So this is x minus 6 equals to 3. And I am going to plus 9 plus 6 on both sides, so that eventually I will get 3 plus 6. So x equals to 9. Once I have both answers, it will be prudent for us to just do a quick check, just to make sure that we are correct. So now that I know y is negative 6, x is 9, so I go back to here. I'm going to just do a quick check. Using my equation 2, I'm going to check whether 3x minus 2y, right, really give me back my 39. So let's see. X is 9. We have solved for that. Y. We have also solved for y. Y is negative 6. And let's see what will this give us. Oh, this does give me back my 39, and therefore our answers are correct. Well, with that we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.